Ama wakwaba midi ede adwa searching and then you daily kanya wo de ehwe me a mesro na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emia bell ne so we be notification and sa ne new said betun bia we nya bi ati anasa we nya bi ahwe e wo GCN page ha Madam Marie Boadu e na okase na den sem e na woka ne sem a okay na ne say odo eye omanpanin dada John Dramani Mahama ye papa oye campaign e dia ma no bompai say 2024 coming election omanpanin dada betumi enwi ni wasan so abetina Ghana akondwa ne so but say obi edidi omanpanin dada atema enya dia ono Marie Boadu ebetwe camera esi ne so na why so beken bi dia omanpanin dada John Dramani Mahama sa mistake no onye bi da the enter Marie Boadu e ka say ina ne say NDC for no mo ayo mo ho say assemble mo party ni mu a omo entumi nka but obi twin cameras ni so na oye say o ka asem ni bi e de amomo a na omo afetri e di ni pakro no atem na Marie Boadu e kire say na nsen ye beka ya eye abronye a oye chairman de mabono region no na nsen obetena TV so eye omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama nya asem keto akra na Marie Boadu e kire say omanpani dada wa be president da enti ensem a abronye e beka no egu omanpani ni ho fi Marie kire say omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama why ye Ghana ye manpani da enti sa wo betena TV so na wo ka ensem a ensem fata efa no ho a egu Ghana ye ni mase enti ade a abronye eye no eye ade a enye enti esenka NDC amayokoro omo esiu abronye afenso omanpani dada na kasa esenka osiu abronye ena omanpani dada nabusuafo so esenka omo siu abronye sene be ya next time on continue TV so enkeka sa ensem na oka ede efa omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama no ho when na NDC fo anye ena friends want to NDC ni bia ebetena TV so na radio so e condemn ade a abronye eye no se enye obia anka hwe nanso ma no Marie Boadu no entwe camera sin so se okay bi e de ama omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama obeya NDC communicators ni bi ena friends so NDC phone penifo ni bi na omo abetwa no adapa enti no ne de ope omanpani dada na sempa but ensem bi ekoso na se enya de owa beka bi e de ama omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ne yenti ensem a Madam Marie Boadu ede etuya
in life. Next time when I hear Owusu Bempah insulting President Mahama, I will not say a word. Because the last time when he did, I saw people who are very close to President Mahama defending him. So why must I come and talk? Right now, some of you NDC people, you have left some of us in a position where we don't know whether we should continue to promote your agenda and push your corner and campaign for you or whether we should stop. Sometimes I am in a dilemma. Sometimes because I don't want to look like a fool. I don't want to come across as if I'm a fool because I am not a fool. Na se Owusu Bempah akoya ade na enye na Ghana emra so ni mu na wo benya hardcore NDC a mokasa wo TV so ni radio so defending Owusu Bempah na ye koya na ye bai. And sometimes ye besre say until you say there's a word, a 2-letter word, and this is a 2-letter word. Sometimes this is all you need to say. Sorry. Maybe. Sometimes this is all you need to say.
Monia, udi ni na befra. Obi a no wo page no so bia kai dwuma abayu we di team wo page no so. Ma me papa na mobo. Womo e wo sa page no so ebedi ma dance ye. Abayu we di matem left right center say me MPP for kraman. Na the MPP for be bia na kukuku na makodi akire. But the money bibi me MPP kraman ya mepe. Say me MPP kraman no is better than say me flag bearer of NDC. I swear to God. Uti di ameka no. Say me kraman a wo MPP mu no. E better chance say me flag bearer of NDC. Ade ye di mo bia nya de papa. Uti di America no. Of course, concern for day. And we are watching them too with a close eye. Then that's where mindset words. Ye can't say the tear and the actual Ghana for. Ye did my term left right center will page in so. Mampa bakwesi. Mena me ana mepe na me di miti akote. Enu nti ye didi matem na kwasi apia kran metuwe me kofa back door say okay say na abade a ma me nko solve problem because page so na ye wo nti entumi ma page ne so nye dedede na me call back behind stage say oh me nua ba the way am na otie ne de sebe ye ntumi ma politics we keke no embe ye problem bi ama ye nti o de boni bi na media me kan na anko yi afa che me nyame ne me dance ni unia me command a private message and said that was the wrong thing I did. Said I don't know chere me pepa ankasa. Chichabo me solid chabo me ankasa. Abaywa bodamfo chichabo me left right center. All because or the asem air two hopes in so. Emma man support enti. Ena say group no. Ono ankasa me nim de ye ya. One group leader no. Yam say konkonsan man konkonsan yomu didi ya na ndie say group no etikoda ya na ese be group foforo. Brako fi mi chia ho. Na after eno no started say obe release this series of hopes na doye informations. Muntie ni ye. Na o started ye nti na yam wanwa say wonu a wonu mbom started problem a wonu mo waye bone no. Wonu mbo nenam and all report former police. Na sebe, if what you are doing is legal and it's right, why are you running to the police? Why are you running to the police? And you run to the police without thinking, say, you were the first person who posted an innocent man's picture on your Facebook, accusing him of stealing, accusing him of robbery. What court evidence did that crazy girl have to say, Honorable Hobson, akweko bune daya any? But on the Hobson picture, CCTV picture, edit to abonting. And until Honorable Hobson, sometimes they are me dinner where I was honorable. Intimopa mukuta sa de we ni na wakola we ho. And intimu to me fan ma authority bia momon Kenya asasemu bia nkyere no. Se me kwasi apia meti hei, no obi akofa me picture no the abebo ni Facebook no we didi matem e delegate me afre me kronfo am robber now no abu hope sentio but ono no sebe that time no nensa e sha berewa aduanim obeye den we ye afrim because wakope ne ho asem e maka Africa jo akoka afa ni Toronto ye chicha ne pictures enti wosuro se wo china sese ye behu na ne picture beto abonten ne parliamentary ambitions ni na ebeye basa enti sa de a de abodam for ne beka bia obeye na me try ye so many times ade ne be start no efre honorable hopes na those times no nkrofo sa Ghana for no from a se adwin se sika bi na wo be yi o se adwin se sika bi na wo be pe no mu mbia wo or started planning ye emma or no one now for ma or no started planning sade we na hu said e bi de e ko na enye no bebre started see e twetwe ho sad time no na me person me di information na ye den emma MPP for it wasn't only Hobson, it wasn't only the president she was after Honorable John Buedu. The only reason she couldn't mention John Buedu's name is because say John Buedu money 800 million 80,000 Ghana cedis and no so make us see a boy. Yeah, money 80,000. Now ucho obi picture. And now uni obi koda. Now the blackmailing say wa mouse ka abekwa ko catch na yere a dey a enye blackmail. Enye extortion. Na onum bom Jimmy fo ni mbom atumi anya chance e ko say okwa report kwesi apia because kwesi apia e bie ne to. Rama to long time ade we jam ya na. Cause kwesi apia akofa blade e de papa ne to mo obi an say sister aboa. Ne fa video be ye and a president frame kra memfa and na me de me I don't have time enso wo video e ba ye wo voice e ba ye kire say sister na wo patch o honorable host mfa nka ba ko an say na de wuntumi nda na wo hope senso kra na ya na menim sa wo ni amapa kura wo Honorable Hopes and fan can one won that. The man you were begging, chasing up and down. We have text messages, we have voice notes, we have so many things. Afeidie Honorable Hopes no ye target na besesa. Then necessary because enam ni insolence any ni too no oyenti. Onyame aye wadom. Now we so the security people failed. I won't hide that. That bang wine crown or just a sebi. Ekufuado mano crown. How many of them can go in the presidential jet? Now waba impersonating. Oh, Mr. President, I'm the NPP women organizer in Canada, and I come to visit. Please, now President. So, oh, they said so many good things about you. Oh, and yeah, Sadia, you're quite Kumase. And the end, yes, you. And a president say, I will do this one-time favor. President Bonio, yeah, I don't know. I will do, since you are a party executive, I will do this one-time favor and let you travel with all of us. Yes, I want the president in Kwao. Travel with all of us in the presidential jet to Kumasi. So, chief of staff, John Buedu, so many people were on board in that plane. Now, one thing or no, say, Ora plane ni na no security channel. The pictures ya uchuche ni na ye channel. But only minyansa no person de be brage e de say ade enti. Ma me papa. Won the president ye tu kwan. Nipa wom. Wo begina plane animu a na we twa Ghana ye aircraft no we gina animu